So with all this stuff that I got, like the CDs and movies, I want to get more of a collection. I do have another CD. It is I don't remember. It is the Frozen CD. It's from the movie Frozen, the first movie where it sings like Let It Go and all that. I don't remember why I got that, because I know why. I'm a big Disney fan, so that's why. I got that one. Let me put you guys down here so you guys can get a better glimpse. Okay. So I got this book. I don't really know a whole lot about it, but I mean I do. It's just a book. It's just a comic book. Carlos, J, Mal, Evie. Evie, Mal, J, Carlos. Evie, Mal, Carlos, J. Easy. Now comment below. Comment below, everybody. I'm gonna give you 10 seconds to comment below which these kids are the daughter and son of what evil queens. If you can name each evil queen mother and father, there you go. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So here, we got them here. Evie, since Evie is first on here. Evie is the daughter of the evil queen. You can't really see that, but here. Evie is the daughter of the evil queen. Mal is the daughter of Maleficent. Carlos is the son of Cruella de Vil. And then Jay is the son of Jafar. If you put that in the comments correctly, you will get an automatic shout out. And if you want to see the parents, here they are. Evil Queen, Maleficent, Jafar, and Cruella de Vil. So I can show you my entire collection, which is right over there.